All right, so that's quick review of your midterm review. So at your midterm review, all right, you wanted to check like this. So you will see I will ask you the playtime solution. Okay, so I'll ask you, all right, the playtime solution here. Then how do you do this one to how if I have this one is called text blue, and how do you get the value? How do you get the value from here to so number one you need to know the name. Okay, now these three lines you have to memorize. These three lines you must memorize. Can you memorize right now? The first line, so you know what? It's open book, open note. So why don't you write on a piece of paper? It's okay. All right. So I have to make you create a variable is option explicit on. Ensure on this. Just write it down. Okay. Write it down that. Then um, when we wanted the code to set focus is so it's called txt focus. Okay. Then uh, remember we have a static string person. Why we need to do that? Because we want to keep that person, salesperson's name remain in variable. So it will have an exam ask you, what happened if I want it to be a static type variable? You have to say static in front. All right. So we also ask you this, how to assign into an input box. Okay, so input box. Now here, if the first time many of the input box you don't need to have this salesperson here, the only because the salesperson, if it is default when your application you already write it something right there, then you want to do it. Otherwise, many times you only have prompt and title. One more time, your exam may not have these. Okay, so one more time, your exam may have prompt and title too. All right. So very important is, well, how do you get the value from the text blue box? Go to integer blue phone. How do you get the value from the pink box and become integer pink phone? Another thing is a integer. Then how do you put it back to the box? You have to convert. All right. There are two ways to do it: convert to, or if you need it to be formatted and you write different way, so you write this first and two string and then you do C2. And for the Visual Basic, you can concatenation. Concatenation is put ampersand. So you put them together. All right. And then put ampersand together. Okay. So very important right here. We can write our own procedure. Remember, we want to clear all this. Make this all clear. We want to put in the blue box and also want to put the pink box. Then you can copy paste, but remember, simply turn. If I can put only one box right there, I call this clear label. And then in my user, I go to pink, link to blue. So I got this right now. All right. So that's one you need to study that. It's okay. And let's go to two. Two, you have this one. Um, any picture you want. All right. So for this one, you need to remember this. Okay. So when I click it, when I add the picture on this picture box, all right. So my computer will have a folder for me. Okay. It's called mine. Okay. Mine. It's not me. It's mine. It's my and resource. Then you need to remember that. So once that goes where and where did you go get your photo? So then when I click on jellyfish, I have two lines. One line is this picture box and the image come from my data resource. Remember that, okay? My data resource and come from the same picture name you uploaded. And also you want this text box, probably text number, and to show whatever. We show a little bit scientific information. Remember that? Okay, and go back to review that. All right. So there's a tutorial video. You want to read it in case you forgot. All right. Number 3, we're going to add. We're going to add these two numbers right now. So we add these two numbers. Remember, you have text number 1, text number 2. We add. We make this have a this and that. And for this one, then I ask you to do this. You have a video here, and we also clear. So for this one, remember, very important is for this one. I need you to have the one to call use the option explicit. I think put the code right here. Is that okay? So I need you to have option explicit on, option strict on, option info. I need you to have this. Is that okay? I need you to have this. Then that come out with our last one today. I just go over that. So this one will be on the exam. Okay, this one on the exam. So it's not which one is which one is better. It depends on how do you want to use it. If you want to use it is a class level variable, you put right here. Then that's a larger scope. Is that right? Use more traffic, but it will be allow many procedure to share this. If you only using one procedure, why bother? Do you understand? Why bother? So why use a big knife to cut your fingernail? Do you understand? So you change this static. Okay? So let me take a roll call right now. So one more time, I want to tell you, Monday, can you get up a little bit earlier to set up a little bit earlier? Because what happened is, we really don't know what happened. This okay? So I need to send you the invitation. Is okay? All right, so we have a test on Monday. Remember that. Salvador is here. Adam, I saw you. Aaron, are you here? Aaron Cruz? Yes or no? Aaron Cruz. Uh, Herbert was here. Aaron Cruz was, what? Aaron Cruz, I'm sorry. How about Edwin is here, I know. Kevin Florence here. Kevin, are you here? Yeah, too. Okay, Gabriel, are you here? Gabriel? Yeah. Uh, Carmen, um, Carmen, Carmen, Larry, Paper. Okay, okay. She's going to have baby. Gabriel is here. Jonathan, are you here? Jonathan, are you here? Alvin, yeah. Okay. Then and John and Catherine, Jesus Sao, are you? Yeah, right here. Then Eric was here too. Elijah here. Daniel Sandoval here. David Tabor. Okay, I'm so sorry about this. All right, so we have to get used to this kind of thing right here. Uh, Daniel Larry Escobar. Okay. Sorry. Were you here? Yeah, yeah. Oh, Daniel Sandoval. I marked you already. Yeah. Okay. So, everybody, can we try to get in? I did not see Daniel Appel. Anybody who has his phone number? He probably didn't. Okay, he's here. No, no. I have a David Tabo. Okay, that's fine right now. All right, so let me, Daniel Appel was here, right? Okay, good, thank you. All right, so that's getting a little bit earlier on. Let me stop recording. All right.